How to change song on Instagram. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change a song in your video when you are editing. Let's get started. Let's say you want to add a story. Simply tap on your story and add it. Okay, let's say you want to add a music to this video on your Instagram story. Simply tap on this music icon right here and add some music. Now, once you add the music, let's say you want to change the music again. Simply tap on this again, and all you have to do is tap on this delete icon right here, and the music is deleted from your story. Let's say you want to add next music, tap on it again and change it. In this way you can change the song by deleting and adding again. And share it to your story. And that's how you change a song in a video, fast and easy. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and tap the bell for more smart tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.